Welcome to solverfy.
So Belmont Corporation has 4 operating divisions, and the budgeted revenues and expenses for each division for 2011 is shown in the question. So we have a table that shows division A, B, C, D, and the sales cost of goods sold, selling and general and administrative expenses, and the operating income or loss. So we're giving a further analysis of the cost that shows the percentage of various costs in each division. And the first part of the question wants us to calculate the increase or decrease in operating income if Belmont closes division A. And then the second question wants us to find out the increase or decrease in operating income if Belmont closes division B. So we'll be starting with the first one. So we're going to start with the sales, and we're going to have for division B and division A the price for them. So for sales and for division A, sales is 630,000 and it's 632,000 for B. Then we're going to move to the variable costs. So for the variable costs, the first thing will be cost of goods sold, and for A is 495,000 and for B is 496,000. Now the selling, general and administrative expenses it would be 60,000 and 67,500. Now the total variable cost would be 555,000 and 563,500. So therefore the contribution margin will basically be the difference of the sales minus the total variable costs, and that will be 75,000 for A and 68,500 for B. Now moving to the fixed expenses. The cost of goods sold for the fixed expenses would be 55,000 for A and 124,000 for B. Now the selling, general and administrative expenses would be 60,000 and 67,500. Now the total fixed expenses would be 105,000 and 191,500. So therefore the operating income or loss would be 40,000, which is different, and 123,000 for B. So now as for the first question, we want to find for division A, and the second question is for division B. So for the first question, the contribution margin loss is 75,000 for division A, which is right here, And then the savings of the fixed expenses and this is $46,000. And then the increase or decrease in operating income would be $29,000. So that would be the contribution margin loss is 68,500. The savings of fixed expenses is 76,600. So therefore the increase or decrease in operating income, so this time is a decrease, so that would be 8,100. So that's the answer. Now the final question says what other factors should the top management of Belmont consider before making the decision? And I would say it is preferred that they discontinue the business of Division B because there's a decrease in the operational loss of 8,100 by discontinuing the operations. So the last question, it is preferred to discontinue the division of B, so the B, because there is a decrease in the operational loss of 8,100 by discontinuing the operation. So that's a factor that the top management should consider before making a decision.